Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and today I'm going to show you how to customize quick launch feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the advanced features, side key, enable double press, and here you can set up different actions for this double press side key. So as you can see, I can open camera, can open Bixby, also I can open app, for example Chrome. And that's how it's done. And here you can customize this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.